Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Hamid, and in this video introduce Windows PowerShell to you. PowerShell is a user interface that gives you access to the Windows operating system. It is installed and included by default with the Windows and recognizes many native Windows commands. PowerShell is an object-oriented language and shell. You can write scripts and create your own functions with it, and automate repetitive tasks and manage large-scale environments. I will tell you about objects in the next videos. PowerShell is open source and is available for Linux and Mac, and you can download the official packages from Microsoft's website. You can set up and manage the Citrix products without using the Manage User Interfaces. And even if you don't have the Exchange management tools installed on your local computer, you can use it to create a remote session to an Exchange server. Other Microsoft applications, including Microsoft SQL Server, also expose their management interface via PowerShell commandlets. I think there are enough reasons to learn PowerShell. And don't forget, PowerShell is easy, and if you learn it, it makes your life much easier. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use PowerShell step by step. Okay, let's open the PowerShell window and explore it. It is installed by default in Windows 10 and 11. Click on Start menu and write PowerShell. Right-click on PowerShell ISE 64-bit and run as administrator. Click on Yes. As you see, there are different parts and buttons. If I click on this button, Show Script pane, we can write our scripts here in the script pane. And you can choose these buttons to customize the view, right side or full screen. I prefer this view. To start, we can try some basic commands. For example, if we want to check the PowerShell version, we can use $ps version table. If I click on Run Script, PowerShell will show us the installed version. And if I want to get the date, get minus date. If I press the Run Script again, the PowerShell will run all the commands that I wrote here. PowerShell version and gives us the date. But if I want to run only a selected command, I can select the command and press Run Selection, and the PowerShell only runs the selected command. This button is to terminate the script execution. For example, if we have a loop and want to stop it, we can use the Terminate button. I can write an example. I can write a loop. Run the loop. As you see, it can be an endless loop. And if you want to stop it, press on Stop Operation. Okay, let's try some basic commands. Clear the screen. I can check the IP address and press Enter. We can check the IP address, default gateway, DHCP, and so on. Let's make a new directory in C drive and name it as test. mkdir, write the path, and press enter. We can open the Explorer. As you see, the test folder is created. Let's close it. And we can check list of the processes that are running in the background. and see the process name, process ID, and many other information. Let's clear the screen. We can open the PowerShell console from here, which is more like the traditional CMD and is not suitable for scripting. You can customize its appearance by right-click on the title bar and choose Properties. You can change the font, change the layout, window size, colors, the screen text. For example, I choose green, screen background, I choose black, and press OK and reopen it. As you see, the PowerShell console window is customized. We can try the get process commandlet to get the processes that are running on the computer. And to close the console, right exit and press enter. PowerShell uses a verb-noun pair for the names of commandlets and for their derived .NET classes. The verb part of the name identifies the action that the commandlet performs, and the noun part of the name identifies the entity on which the action is performed. Here we can see some examples: get process, get help, copy item, set location, and enter PS session. Okay, let's take a deeper dive. If you want to see all the PowerShell commandlets, you can use get command. We can use the tab key to automatically complete the PowerShell commands. Press tab, completes automatically, and now press enter. As you see, there are lots of functions and commandlets, and it's impossible to memorize all of them. But don't worry, PowerShell has a good built-in help system. With the keyword help, you can find the description and many cool examples of each command. Let's take a look. For example, if you want to know more about start process, we can write help start process show window. And here we can see many useful information about this command. I would recommend you update the PowerShell help to have the newest help files on your computer. For this, you need to write update help verbose force error action silently continue and press enter. Okay, update is done. Let's clear the screen. If you want to update PowerShell help of a computer with no internet access, you can save the downloaded files on your C drive and transfer them with a USB stick to the computer with no internet connection. In this case, you should open the Explorer and make a new folder in C drive, name it help, come to the PowerShell. Let's make the screen a little bigger. Write save help and give the destination. Error action silently continue and press enter. Okay, the process is done. We can check the help folder. As you see, here we can find all the newest help files of PowerShell. And you can transfer this folder to a new computer, and on the new computer use this command, update help source path force and verbose, and press enter, and the PowerShell will update the help system from the file that you prepared. Please take time to review what you learned. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your PowerShell skills, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the new updates. Take care and see you in the next video.